Good morning, friends. Welcome to this Productivity Pro channel. One more video is for you. This is a pre-COVID recorded video. Hope you will enjoy it. Good morning.
Good morning.
Friends, I am in Smith International in Saudi, and I am sitting with Azam, who is a machine shop supervisor. So welcome, Azam.
Thank you.
I just wanted to ask you first thing that before this system was implemented, how you were taking the reports?
Yeah, I was taking the reports manually. We are taking all the data. The operator is keeping writing all the data,
Okay.
like connection wise, in a piece of papers, and we are collecting the morning and feeding in the manual in Excel sheet.
Okay.
And calculating the how much percentage of the connection is done, how many hours he has done for each connections.
Now can I see the system?
Yeah,
How
sure.
this is useful and how you
Yeah.
have taken the report now?
This is the life status for all the machines. We have three COMF machines and one high Hyundai machine.
Okay.
Life COMF machine is semi-automatic machine, CNC semi-automatic. So these is L800 is a Hyundai machines
With Fanuc control.
with phonic control, and another machine is
Mazak machine.
Mazak machines.
But I can see only 3 machines. You have got 7.
Yeah, so this screen is for
Four
four
machines.
machines,
Okay.
or three Mazak machines, and one Hyundai machines.
Okay.
Hyundai machine is
Other 3 machines?
Hyundai machine is a Fanuc control, and
Okay.
Mazak machine is a Mazatol control. Another machine is a live.
This is about other 3 machines. So
Yeah, the
total
three
you have
machines.
7.
We have 7 machines,
Okay.
and we have connected 4 machines to 3 machines.
Okay.
Yeah.
Now can I see the timeline?
Yeah, this is the timeline graph for each machines. So,
Okay.
like,
So this is yesterday's second shift.
yeah,
huh?
this is yesterday's second shift.
Okay. Can I see some of the downtime by bringing the cursor there? What information you get?
Yeah, like a downtime is here.
I take anyone.
Yeah, like a lunch to break
Okay.
time, loading
Now,
and
now
loading.
what are the other information you are getting? Let me just see.
Yeah, we are getting the lunch break. The operator is gone for the lunch dinner break. We have specified the break time 10:30 to 11:15.
Okay.
So they went on the specified time 3 minutes early. So
Okay.
these all of the operator is gone for the lunch break.
Okay.
And
Okay.
it is also like loading and unloading is specified here. Other things like the job is in cycle and how many job is been completed, it is mentioned.
Okay.
And,
Can I get the table report?
Yeah, table report is here. It's
Maybe
yesterday.
Today you can see today's report.
Today report.
7 machines today report.
Yeah, this does today's report.
Go to
Yeah.
I think table.
Generate table. Okay.
This is second shift. No, take first shift.
First shift.
First shift. This one. This is first shift.
Okay, this is okay.
And today's. Okay.
This is the report.
So you directly get Excel sheet.
Yeah, Excel
Good.
sheet. And machine operator name is here, machine number and name, and the scope of work, what they did, XT connection. There are
Okay.
2 types of. Yeah, there are 2 types of connections, premium connection API and another job. So totally, this is total utilization and machine utilizations and average machining hours and break.
Okay.
There's no breakdown is there. So
So
this
you get machine utilization in percentage also.
yeah, percentage. So
And this is about the
about the
job or
how many
connection.
job and connections, how many job and threading connection has
Okay.
been
What is
performed
the-
by the each
one
operator.
more graph is there below.
Yeah.
Average machine.
So another is average machining hours. So this is the average machining hours for per job. So that this operator is doing neck body turning and connection. So
Okay.
this is
So in short, Azam, you get live screen as
Yeah.
well as report.
you get the live screen as well as the report,
Okay.
live status.
And I
live-
think you also have a pie chart.
yeah, we have a pie chart here also.
This is pie chart.
Yeah.
Okay, so I can select all machines, select all.
Okay. So this all the pie chart is there.
Oh, fantastic.
Yeah. So,
So
this all
you,
pie chart is 6 timeline graph, second shift, 21st January is showing tea time break. So how much they use the tea time, non-reported the machines, and lunch and dinner. They consume 31 minutes.
okay.
31-minute lunch and loading unloading time 30 minutes for all the jobs.
And you can take the printout of this pie chart also, I
Yeah,
suppose.
for our to submit the report to the management or
Okay,
customers also like it.
Okay, so what is your in general impression about CIMCO machine monitoring?
In general, CIMCO monitoring,
Is
it's
it
very
is it
good.
very difficult for the
No,
operators?
it is not difficult. It is very practical and it is very practical as well as it's easy also to operate to the operator with the tab set. It's
Okay.
very
So
easy.
every machine, every operator has a Android tab.
Yeah, every machine is having the 9-inch, 8-inch Android tab. It's connected to our PC, and it is also connected through country manager as well as in Dubai server
Okay.
operation manager, company-wide operation manager.
So
So
person
we
sitting in Dubai also can
yeah, they
check
can.
the
He
productivity.
can operation manager. He can
Okay.
monitor the all the machines, the productivity of the machine as well as the breakdown timing. Where is the bottlenecks?
Yeah.
They can country manager as well as the operation manager countrywide. They can see that where we are lagging, where we need to improve the performance
Okay.
to increase the productivity of
So
the
with this
machines.
product, I think all the bottlenecks or all the problems will come on the surface.
Yeah,
So
on the
management can take the action
yeah, management
effectively.
can take the action, rectify, take the corrective actions
Okay.
to overcome of this or the problems.
Okay. Thank you. Thank you
Welcome.
very much.